Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the grilled squid with blueberry jam in Heartopia Colorfuls event. So guys, the grilled squid with fruit jam is one of the fashion wave foods in Heartopia, and I haven't unlocked the recipe yet, so I'm going to make it to unlock the recipe. First, you need to have the original recipe, which is the grilled squid with fruit jam. You can unlock this recipe after completing a quest from Masimo. Then you can purchase, oh no, you don't need to purchase the recipe. You will automatically unlock the recipe after you complete the Call of Wells challenge from Masimo. Then you're going to use your Tidal Stove and you're going to use this original recipe. But before it, you need to make the blueberry jam with your normal stove. Okay, make the blueberry jam with this recipe. Then go to your Tidal Stove. Then you're going to use this recipe. You need Japanese flying squid and sea grape, wakame, and also the blueberry jam. Okay, don't forget to top on the fruit jam, and you're going to select the blueberry jam like this, and then you're going to start cooking. Alright, I've just made the grilled squid with blueberry jam. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the grilled squid with blueberry jam in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!